Hi guys, welcome to Pearl TV. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a yummy chicken lumpia. Okay, as you can see guys, I'm mixing all the ingredients of the chicken lumpia Shanghai. Okay, so I have the balat ng lumpia, the pastry wrapper. I just bought that at the SM supermarket. Okay, last night I decided to make lumpia, and fortunately I have all the ingredients. Okay, so what are the ingredients that is being added there? Okay, so I have the 250 grams of ground chicken, and then 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 head of chopped onion, and then 1 Knorr cubes, a bit of salt. The Knorr cubes, you have to ensure that the Knorr cubes is being spread throughout the mixture. Okay, so as you can see, okay, I have a grated carrot guys. It looks orange because of the grated. 1 medium size carrot. Okay, and of course I added 1 egg, the balat ng lumpia. It's time for me to separate the lumpia wrapper. Ayan, so as you can see, I'm getting the lumpia wrapper. I'm going to separate the lumpia wrapper so we can start wrapping the lumpia. Okay, so very simple guys. Yan, do not force the lumpia wrapper. Okay, so you have a bit of compassion. Be compassionate. Okay, so as you can see, ayan. So we'll try to wrap a lumpia. I'm gonna show you how I wrap my lumpia. Okay, so very simple guys. Ganyan lang siya. So this time guys, I am going to wrap 1 piece lumpia. Okay, so as you can see, I'm putting the meat mixture into the lumpia wrapper. So look guys, that is my simple manner of wrapping lumpia. By the way guys, I'm using the small size of lumpia wrapper. So just wrap it that way guys, and have a water beside you so you can use the water to seal the lumpia. Okay, yan, as you can see, have that water, and have a clean container where you will put all the wrap lumpia. Wrap meat. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have wrapped some lumpia already. Okay, and I have wrapped it all at that video. Okay, so that is the time where I started to fry the lumpia. So preheat the pan and have a good oil with you and pour it on the heated pan. Okay, so I use canola oil guys to fry the lumpia. Okay, we need a healthy oil from time to time guys. So I prefer canola oil in frying that lumpia. Okay, so as you can see, I'm frying now the lumpia, and medium fire lang guys, para hindi siya matutong agad, maluto agad yung balat. Dapat yung laman yung maluto. Kaya so medium fire lang guys ha. ganyan guys yung diskarte kapag nagpiprito ako. Pinapatayo ko sa tabi yung ano para bumaba na yung mantika. Okay, kasi kung magkukuha pa ako ng strainer, yung mantika masyadong konti lang naman. Kaya at least direct na doon. So, yun, as you can see guys, luto na yung mga lumpia. I just keep on putting it on the bowl, okay? So, ayan guys, luto na siya. Ganun lamang kasimple. Okay, it's time for us to eat. So, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get notified whenever I posted up a new cooking tutorial. Bye and thanks for watching.